So this is essentially where we be at for the most part. Upstairs is, as I told you, the employee break room. So,
Okay, so how you spend most of your time in the break room? Y'all don't be working?
Yeah, but I'm a worker. I get myself out. The early bird gets to work.
Oh, okay.
So get that done. Work so you can play.
Oh, okay, what kind of play you do?
You know, I dabble in some whatever.
Oh, okay, like what?
I usually bring my laptop. I'm only working this between us. I'm only working this till my R&B career kick off.
Oh, you sing?
Yeah, I don't.
Ooh, I like that.
Don't do that.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Question.
Yeah, answer.
Why are you the only person in a suit?
Because you gotta dress for where you going, not for where you at.
But you want to be an R&B singer.
Exactly. See, I'm feeding into the B's whole thing about me being a broke ass Gerald Levert. So, yeah, come on.
Oh, Jesus. Okay.
Go ahead.
So, how's it working for B?
B is cool. I think we got a brother-sister relationship.
Oh, okay.
Like, she the aggravating little sister, and I'm the suave.
So you find her aggravating?
At times, but she cool. Like, it's only because I've got this little hair problem in the back, and she got the little afro puffs with the naps in the back.
Not the naps.
She be cool most of the time.
She be, okay, yeah.
She be, okay. So you gonna be, don't worry about it. Excuse me.
No, what? Trick, excuse me. So clearly y'all got a problem here.
No. It's a little situation.
So that's what you be chilling with.
No, I told you, I'll be working on my EP, my
That ain't only
mixtape.
what you be doing. You be singing to it, huh? Clearly you done did something else, because she clearly got a problem.
I like toxic.
You one of them.
Cause baby,
It's-
I'm toxic.
Yeah, it's the beard. All y'all with the beards. Ugh.
It's not always.
It is.
Them want to see us now. Yeah. So me say.
No. I just did that.
No, low though.
Why you want me to do it low?
All right, go like
Okay.
bumblebee, bumblebee.
I can't do that.
You stupid.
Embarrass me in front of all these people. I don't know everyone yet.